Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function enumerate. Hey Python learners, today we're diving into one of Python's most versatile and beginner-friendly functions, enumerate. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it does, when to use it, and how to make your code cleaner and more readable with it. Let's get started. First, what is the enumerate function? It's a built-in Python function that adds a counter to an iterable, such as a list, tuple, or string, and returns it as an enumerate object. Here's the syntax. The iterable argument is a collection you want to enumerate, like a list or a tuple. The start argument is the counter's starting value, which defaults to 0. So why use enumerate? It's ideal for situations where you need both index and the value while looping through a collection. Here are the key concepts. First, the enumerate function returns an integer that produces pairs of index value for each item in the iterable. Second, it's more Pythonic and readable than manually maintaining a counter. And third, the starting index can be customized with the start parameter. You'd use enumerate when you need the index of items in a loop alongside their value. You want to make your code cleaner and avoid manual index tracking. And you're working with collections and need to process items by their position. Let's look at a simple example where we enumerate a list of items. Here, enumerate pairs each fruit with its index, making it easy to loop through both. Now let's customize the starting index using the start parameter. By setting start equals 1, the counter begins at 1 instead of the default 0. This is great for user-friendly numbering. The enumerate function works with any iterables, not just lists. Let's try it with a tuple. The behavior is the same. Enumerate pairs each element of the tuple with its index. You can use enumerate in list comprehensions to create new lists. Here we create a new list with the index and the fruit combined into strings. Finally, let's use enumerate to filter items based on their index. Here we filter the list to include only items at even indices. Pretty handy, right? Here are a few things to keep in mind. The enumerate function returns an iterator, so it works efficiently with large data sets. You can use it with any iterable, including lists, tuples, strings, and custom iterables. And use the start parameter to align the index with your specific needs. And that's the enumerate function. To recap, it adds a counter to any iterable and returns an iterator of index value pairs. It's perfect for making loops cleaner and more Pythonic. With features like start parameter, it's versatile for various use cases. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips. Happy coding!